everybody, it's Miss Joyce from the Patchogue-Medford Library, and then today I'm here with my son Gavin and Gavin's daddy and my husband, Mr. Tim.
Hey guys.
Today we're here to show you how to make root beer floats for Father's Day. It's one of our favorite things to make, and I hope you enjoy it. So first, we're going to show you what you need.
Oh, the ice cream, Gavin?
Ooh. First, you need a glass. Any size glass, regular drinking glass is fine. You might want to put it in the fridge so it's nice and cold. You need your ice cream scooper. Next, you need your ice cream. It can be any flavor that you like. Yeah, I prefer vanilla.
Gavin loves cookie dough.
So today we have cookie dough ice cream. Doesn't matter what brand, what flavor, whatever you like. And to top it off, you can use whipped cream if you'd like. You don't have to, but it's just an extra little surprise. So to start off, you might want to also put your ice cream in the microwave just to make it a little soft so it's easier to scoop. So you're going to take your glass. You want to take about 2 scoops of ice cream. Oh, Gavin, look at that ice cream. 1 scoop. 2 scoops of ice cream. Okay, there we go.
And while you have the ice cream out, you don't want it to go to waste, you should make a daddy size root beer float. Take a whole resting of ice cream, a scooper, and you scoop it into the container.
Wow, Gavin,
this
look
is
at that.
super healthy. And what's next step, Mrs. Joyce?
Okay, next you're going to take your root beer, any brand of root beer, and you're going to pour it very, very slowly. You might want to get your dad or someone special to help you pour it, and you go really slow, and it's going to start to fizz. So as you put it in, you keep going all the way to the top. You don't want to pour it so it overflows. Right to the top.
And for the daddy size one, I recommend 2 liters at the same time to save time. Here we go.
Wow, Gavin.
Whoa.
Oh, look at all that soda.
That is a lot of calories right there. Oops.
Oh, and a little overflow.
It may overflow a little bit. Make sure you
make sure you have napkins on hand. Next, you want to take your whipped cream if you like. If you don't like it, pour a little bit on top. And then, make sure you have your straw, maybe a paper straw, or a reusable straw. Put that in your cup.
And daddy's got the big straw.
And enjoy.
Hard work.
You might want to also add a spoon to it just so it's easier to eat the ice cream. And I hope you enjoy. I hope everyone has a great Father's Day and enjoy your day. Enjoy those root beer floats.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, Gavin.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.